Imagine this, a rock on Mars, billions of years old, full of strange spots and minerals. And it might just hold the strongest clue yet that life once existed on the red planet, bringing you this breaking discovery from NASA that could change everything we thought we knew about Mars. Today, we'll dive into what scientists found in the Sapphire Canyon sample, why the rock called Chayava Falls matters, and what this could mean for the possibility of life beyond Earth. Stick with me until the end. I have a bonus insight that might just reshape how you see Mars completely. And I'll ask you a question you'll want to answer. Secret number 1. Potential biosignatures in Chayava Falls. The first big secret, this rock, Chayava Falls, contains what scientists call potential biosignatures. Here's what that means. In July 2024, the Perseverance rover drilled into this rock, extracting a sample nicknamed Sapphire Canyon. The material inside is a clay-rich mudstone from a former riverbed in Jezero Crater, in a zone called the Bright Angel Formation. In that rock, scientists observed tiny, ring-shaped and dark spots that resemble what microbial life would leave behind, along with minerals like vivianite and greigite, which on Earth often form in environments with microbial activity. But important to note, while this is one of the strongest clues yet, it's not proof of life. Non-biological chemical processes might also cause similar features. Still, this rock is much more promising than many earlier finds. Potential biosignatures. Chayava Falls, vivianite and greigite secret. 2. Why this sample is better than before. Discovery number 2. The quality of this sample and its context make it far more meaningful than many past findings. For decades, Mars missions have found organic molecules or water-altered rocks. But this time, the conditions are just right. The rock was in a river valley that had flowing water long ago, which means potential for preserving life signatures. The sediment layers are clay-rich, which is excellent for preserving microscopic structures. Also, instruments on Perseverance, like PUXL and Sherlock, were able to map the minerals at very fine scale. These instruments detected carbon, iron, sulfur, and phosphorus in patterns that line up with how microbes and organic processes often work on Earth. Real-world context. On Earth, in places like peat bogs or sediments rich in water, similar biosignatures are studied using lab techniques. The parallel here is strong, which increases the credibility of the discovery. Scientists are excited because this sample passed rigorous peer review and is published in Nature. Why this sample matters. Riverbed clay. Advanced instruments. Secret number 3. What this could mean for life on Mars and our future missions. Secret number 3 is the big picture implications. If this discovery holds up, it changes how we search for life and how we plan future missions. Mission planning and sample return. NASA plans to eventually bring Mars rock and soil back to Earth. That's key. Many analyses that can confirm life require lab equipment we don't have on Mars. This sample could be part of that. Rewriting Mars. History. We may need to adjust our models of Mars' environment, especially in its ancient past. More evidence of water, more thinkable ecosystems, and potentially microbial life means Mars wasn't just a barren world. It may have been habitable. Search strategy. Scientists will now look for more rocks, just like Chayava Falls. Riverbeds, clay muds, ancient channels. These will be priority targets. Also, using instruments to detect those mineral leopard spots as biomarkers in other locations. And for US viewers especially, this means increased interest and investment in Mars missions. Funding, public interest, and jobs in space science, robotics, astrogeology, all could get a boost as the possibility of life becomes more plausible. This discovery could help shape NASA's next decade of missions. Life potential. Mission goals. Scientific strategy. Bonus tip. Gift for staying till the end. Here's your bonus insight. Something few media outlets are emphasizing, but that could be crucial. While this rock gives hope, There's a big limitation: the timeline and cost of Mars sample return. Right now, it's expensive, complex, and expected to take many years. But there's a workaround: digital data sharing and Earth-based simulation labs. What that means: NASA and collaborators are collecting high-resolution chemical and imaging data from Mars, then recreating those rock environments in labs here on Earth to test whether the biosignatures are biological or not. That way, even if sample return is delayed, we can learn a lot sooner. Consider this your gift, knowing that you don't have to wait decades. These findings are being tested now, with Earth Labs, citizen science, and shared datasets. You can follow these updates in upcoming publications and NASA reports. It's something only science fans and space geeks will love. But it's what could give us proof, even before a physical rock returns. Bonus insight: labs on Earth. Data sharing speeds discovery, so there you have it. NASA's Chayava Falls sample is maybe the clearest sign yet that Mars once harbored life. The sample is solid, the context even stronger, and scientists are racing against time and budget to confirm these biosignatures. I found this for you, and if you love space, science, or the idea that we might not be alone, this is the kind of discovery that reminds us why looking up matters. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had proof that there was microbial life on Mars, what would you want to see next? A human Mars mission? Full sample return? Or just more rover exploration? Let me know in the comments. If this video blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-shifting discoveries, and share this with a friend who loves space. Because this is the kind of news that could change everything. More Mars discoveries. Watch this next.